Hello, welcome to the workshop called Building Sustainable Leadership. And the idea behind is basically the following. Our planet is becoming hardly sustainable. I think we all agree with that. We are talking about ethics, local communities, employees, diversity, discrimination on gender and race, the way we deal with suppliers. It's the whole stakeholder ecosystem that we are talking about. And this unsustainability at the end led to this unstoppable macro trend that we all agree on called corporate social responsibility. It's unavoidable, and companies need to deal with it. A new kind of consumers is emerging, much more aware of these global concerns. More than ever, we need leaders which are fully aware of the role corporations play on this in order to incorporate these practices into the corporate strategies, because it's not an add-on. This needs to be part of the corporate strategy. It's part of the way we do business. Reason why I have developed this workshop. I hope it will be a place for leaders to become fully aware of this rising macro trend, and equipped with the key leadership practices that more than ever need to be played. These practices need to be done daily to face all of these new challenges. At the end, I expect participants to agree that the great leaders of tomorrow are those who will be today devoting their souls and minds to this new trend. And I have no doubt that the sustainable leadership is the name of the game for the success companies in the future. Welcome to the workshop.